This fountain here comes back to this basin area that they made where it's gravel and some pieces of egg crate. We gotta take that out, put a vault and a couple of blocks around it and fix this and put a new pump in for this setup, and hopefully this works for him, because that isn't working and it has a fill, but we want to turn it into a fill valve. Morning everyone, Scott here. So we are working at this house in Huntington Station. They have a couple different water features. The one in the front yard, which is this Birdbath style fountain. It always has issues. We didn't build it, but we're here to take it apart and rebuild it. So we're digging out a spot where we're going to take, where all they did was put gravel with a pump sitting in the top of it with egg crate covering it. And sure enough, water drained down the first 4 inches and the pump was dry because it was out of the water, but they still had gravel below it. So we're taking it out. We're gonna put an aquascape vault in it and 2 blocks, and then put gravel back on it. We're gonna put a aquascape ultra surge 2000 pump with a valve on it to make sure we get good volume out of this for them, and get this fixed. And I'll take you in the back in a little bit and I'll show what's going on back there. So working on setting this vault now in here. Got an aqua block already under that side. Gonna put a aqua block on this side and then throw a pump in there. This is what they had in it, but unfortunately the pump was all the way up here at this overflow pipe. So went down a little bit and it ran dry. So we're gonna fix that. So we're at this one here. Yes, that is a painted blue pond. No fish or anything. He does have a waterfall here. So we've been working, adding some boulders, trying to fix this, because all it does is leak. So we pulled out all the cement, had boulders around the edges, foamed it, done the best we can for what he's got here, and just let it cure a little bit more and we'll see if it runs. But yes, this is what he has. Hey guys, so we're here, we're finishing up. This pond actually still needs about another foot of water. It is an interesting way it's set up. All right, water's coming out. It's staying within it now, but you know, the skimmer is the wrong size on here, and they actually covered over the opening, and they have 2 small pumps, 2 small pipes that come in there, and so the GFI keeps popping because the electric has an issue. I mean, he's got all these wacky lights in here that are overloading the system. So we got it working, but as good as we're gonna get, but he's got to keep this water level much higher to keep it running efficient. So we're all done. We got this one set up. He actually is letting it overflow, and instead he's just going to continue to fill it because he really likes the taller splash out of it. He didn't get a basin when he bought this, so, but we did have a line that goes underneath that refills it, just not as quickly as it's splashing out. So this is all finished. Got a new pump, new vault, filling back up in there. It's all set. Fountain's up and running.